she drops the ring to the floor. She says to herself, you've lived before. This time you will stay gone, that's for sure. And he shouted something else. She dragged her suitcase down the path to the driveway. She had never gone that far. Normally this would be the time that she would let him talk her out of leaving, but this time without crying, as she got